It's not a good Mother's Day present, being mowing in the rain, in the hell. We had a little bit of hell a second ago. I was going to record her earlier. I know she's got a husband. It's sad that she had to mow. I'm hoping this tree don't come down. Wow, it's clearing up though. Blue sky back that way. The gusts were freaking me out earlier. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Ooh. That wind's cold. More storms coming. I'll record if anything gets worse. Truth, peace, freedom, love, all. I'll show you the radar. This storm here to the south is what I'm experiencing right now. There's one up in northern county. I need to go out front and look. All right. Everybody have a great week.